Now, after that discussion of units in the previous video, now today I will tell you what are the systems which been developed by the scientist in case we are following SI system. The system of units are CGS system, FPS system, MKS system. What is CGS system? C stands for centi, G stands for gram, S stands for seconds. Now, centi is for length, gram is for mass, and second is for time. This was the system developed by the scientist that is known as CGS system. FPS system. FPS system is F stands for foot, P stands for pound, S stands for seconds. You know, foot is for length, pound is for mass, and second is for time. MKS system. In case of M is meter, K is kilogram, and S is seconds. All these systems are being developed. We are following, but not on a universal basis. We are following at a certain point. Now, which system we are following? That system is known as SI system. इस system में internationally the units. Why this system is being followed by us? Not only by us. This system is followed by entire world. All the scientists are following this system, and we are learning all the physical quantities, their units in SI system. The basic fundamental that we have discussed in the previous video: length in meter, mass in kg, time in seconds, and temperature in Kelvin. All not only these, certain the amount of substance is in mole. There are certain units which is been more units in SI system that you come to know when you will do the further study. Now we have to discuss certain prefix of unit. What are the prefix? Let us see. Deca, its symbol is Da and it is 10 raised to power 1. Hecto, its symbol is small h, 10 raised to power 2. Kilo, its symbol is 10 raised to K, and it can be written as 10 raised to power 3. Now see, kilogram, that means 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. These things we will learn in the conversion part. Mega, capital M, 10 raised to power 6. Giga, G, 10 raised to power 9. There are more, refer to the book, there are more conversions, prefix which you are learning. These are the bigger prefix, which means you have to convert it in from larger to the smaller. When you will go from larger to smaller unit, you have to multiply with these. Smaller prefix, deci, that means small d 10 raised to power minus 1, centi, c 10 raised to power minus 2. It can be written as 1 upon 10, it can be written as 1 upon 100, it can be written as 1 upon 1000, it can be written as 1 upon 10 raised to power 6, it can be written as 1 upon 10 raised to power 9. Centi 10 raised to power minus 2, milli 10 raised to power minus 3, micro 10 raised to power minus 6, nano 10 raised to power minus 9. Now, one question for you is, while discussing that unit of length, that meter, centimeter, millimeter, kilometer, nanometer, micrometer, these are the basic units of length that are given in your book, and we know the basic conversion. For example, 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Just now we have learned kilo, that means 10 raised to power 3. I have multiplied 10 raised to power 3 with meter. Millimeter, centimeter, kilometer, nanometer, micrometer, nano, micro. Now one question for you: define 1 meter. This question you have to do in copy. Astronomical units. See, astronomical units are, the word indicates astronomical. 1 astronomical is equal to the mean distance between the earth and the sun. It is the mean distance. 1 astronomical unit is 1.49 into 10 raised to power 11 meter. Light year. See, light year is the distance traveled by light in vacuum in 1 year. That means in 1 year a light can travel how much distance? That is given by light year. 1 light year equals to 1 year into speed of light. Speed of light is this, 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. 1 year, 365 days, 1 day, 24 hours, 60 minutes, 60 seconds. When you will multiply, you will get 9.46 into 10 raised to power 15 meters. 1 parsec. 1 parsec is the distance from where the semi-major axis of orbit of Earth subtends an angle of 1 second. That means that this is the angle at which 1 second is completed. that is known as parsec. 1 parsec equals to 1 second equals to 1 AU. 1 parsec equals to arc length upon angle in radian. Arc length is 1.49 into 10 raised power. See, these values are scientifically calculated. So we are getting these value in the book. 1.49 into 10 raised power 11 meters. Angle in radians, pi radian equals to 180 degree, and 1 upon 3600 into pi into 180. 1 upon 3600, that means 1 second divided by total number of seconds in 1 hour, and we will get this much of meter. Now these are the bigger units. There are certain smaller unit also in case of length, that is angstrom. It is 10 raised to power minus 10th part of a meter. That means 1 angstrom, it is the symbol of angstrom, A, and a circle like this. This is angstrom, equals to 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. See, students, we have to learn these values. We have to know how we can calculate it into meter. It is the basic part for the physics. Now next smaller unit is Fermi. It is 10 raised to power minus 15th part of a meter. 1 Fermi equals to 10 raised to power minus 15 meter. Now next part is unit of mass. Kilogram, gram, milligram, quintal, metric ton. No, see, these are the basic units that you can do easily. 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. In the same way, quintal and metric ton. 1 quintal equals to 100 kg, 1 metric ton equals to 1000 kg, and it can also be written as 10 quintal. Now certain units which are non-metric unit of mass, for example atomic mass unit. See, this unit comes into existence whenever a mass of atomic particle you are calculating, like electrons and protons. So this mass of these particles will be calculated in atomic mass unit. 1 AMU is 1 upon 12th the mass of 1 carbon 12 atom. This was the definition given by scientists for with the reference of carbon 12 atom. Now solar mass. See, if in this, if you are calculating the mass of heavenly bodies, so it is been calculated in solar mass. 1 solar mass equals to 2 into 10 raised to power 30 kg. So here we have the part of mass. Do the small conversions, try it out, learn the conversions, learn the values, because without learning you are not able to convert it into SI systems. The next is minute, that unit of time. In the same way, here you have to do define 1 kg, define 1 second in your copy. Now unit of time is actually the SI unit is second, so we have to do the conversions in their SI units. The rest of the unit is minute, hour, day, lunar, month. These units you are able to know that 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. In the same way, 1 hour equals to 60 into 60, 3600 seconds. In the same way, 1 day, in 1 day, this is 1 hour, in 1 day 24 hour into this much of seconds. Lunar month, actually the entire world is following their different concepts. In our Hindu concepts, 1 month is the time of 1 month is the time. Lunar month will be explained in this form. 1 month is the time of 1 lunar cycle, which is nearly 29.5 days, which is nearly 29.5 days. Next is common month. See, in 1 day you have calculated the seconds. Month, whatever be the days, whether it is 30 multiplied by 30, whether it is 31 multiplied by 31. Year, in the same way, when you have calculated the time in seconds of 1 month, then in a year there are 12 months multiplied by in a year. Leap year, only the difference is that February has 29 days. The rest is same. Decade, 1 decade equals to 10 year. Century, 1 century equals to 100 year. Millennium, 1 millennium equals to 1000 year. All these are units of time, but we have to go in SI unit, and SI unit is second. Here the section A is over, so better do the practice of exercise questions in your copy, and section B I will provide you in the next